Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW 3 Series generation F30, F31 or F34. Many of you guys ask me in the comment section below to share the wiring harness for the mass airflow sensor because you can actually damage your wires when you're trying to remove or replace the mass airflow sensor. That's what we'll be doing today. In addition guys, let me tell you that we will have more than 200 to 300 videos, free repair videos on every single car that we get at the shop. And specifically guys, on this BMW we'll have close to 500 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now another thing, all the tools, parts, if you need to buy a new mass airflow sensor, any tools or parts for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let me show you what we have here and we can explain guys about the wiring harness. Very short video, but if you damage your wires you will not be knowing where exactly they need to go, and if you don't connect them the right way you can actually cause even damage to the engine computer, which is located under the engine cover. So we'll demonstrate on N20 and N26 engine, but it can be actually helpful on other engines as well, because actually that mass airflow sensor has been used on many BMW 3 Series engines. Another thing guys, if you want to check out, this is our electrical channel, check it out, subscribe. We have quite a bit of information about engine diagnostics, airbag lights, things like that on that BMW, covering relays, fuses, so we will have super helpful information guys, so check it out. Now, where is your mass airflow sensor usually located? You know, you find the air filter box, and on the intake hose or right after the air filter box you will find your mass airflow sensor, this one right here. Now, how you know guys which wire goes where? You will have in many cases one empty wire. This is the 328i 2013 model, and these are the wires, right here. So with the sensor installed, you're going to notice when you install the sensor, it's very important, you can see you have one arrow. That arrow points toward the engine. That's the way the air is going through. Now, if you look at it guys, check it out now, what we're going to have here. Let me just turn the light down a little bit maybe so I can show you the colors a little bit better. Now, right here, the very right one, it's yellow wire, and then you keep going that way guys. Second one is empty, third one is black, fourth one is white wire. And if I disconnect that wiring harness, you can actually even see it better that way. Check it out, this is it here now. And if you look at it that way, you can see on the back side you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can see little bitty numbers in the corners. Those numbers, on number 1 you have white wire, number 2 you have black, 3 is empty, 4 is yellow. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.